remote control in front of the about 5 seconds. While pressing the button 1 of the Y-Evo, at the same time press 4 times the button 2. Release both buttons. Now the Y-Evo LED emits a short flash every 2 seconds. Press and retain pressed the button of the original remote control and wait for a change flash. While the blue LED is flashing, press the button of Y-Evo where you want to program the code just learned. First of all, you must be close to the automation. Press and retain pressed the programmed button during 10 seconds. When the LED starts to flash, release the button. Wait until the LED will turn off. The operation has been done. Now you can use your new remote control.